Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. I've got this interesting mystery box from China. Look at all the beautiful, beautiful Chinese lettering. I'm pretty sure that this is the Metal Toyz, what is it, the maze? But I'm not sure. I think so. Sounds like there's only one thing in there. So, shall we open it up? Oh yes, okay. Mystery box from China. Opening it now. Okay. Let's see here. Yep. It is. I was so jealous because everybody else got theirs. And I live in Tennessee. And let me tell you, mail moves slow through here. Slow. Okay, so this is their newest toy. It's like a square slider, I guess. All right. Like their other stuff so far. So, I'm very curious about this bad boy. All right, that's it. That's all that came in the box. We've got an accessory pack, nice little, some balls in there. Okay. Maze Zero Metal Toyz. That's a weird, look at that. What the hell? Dude's got like a big eye and a little eye. What the fuck? What the hell? What's that? Why is the one eye bigger and the other? Oh shit. He's crying because he's running away from the monster? Shit. That's freaky. Maybe the maze is where the person's running from. I don't know. I like these boxes though. Wait, is that it? Yeah. Oh. So I wonder, I guess you can change out the balls. The problem with these things is they don't come with any instruction. All right. Number 120. It's always a joy to be able to open up that vacuum seal yourself. All right. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, it's got like a textured finish. Maze Zero. Here's some balls. It's like an oval shape, kind of. These are like chamfered in. Can you see that? Oh shit! Look at the. You can see the man. Okay. What? Look at these balls. What the fuck? I don't get it. All right, so should we try sliding it? Sorry about my dogs. What? Why are the balls like free floating? I did read some other people who said that there's a coating, like some kind of a plastic. Billy! Sorry, my doggies. What the hell? These are not even like straight on there. So what's the purpose of the balls? So it's supposed to be trackless, but yet act kind of like a track slider, right? What? All right, what is the purpose of the balls? Just to make noise? And it came with more balls. What? kind of afraid to open this bitch up. What is the purpose of the balls? Are they magnetic? Do they move when you move the thing? Oh, right? No, I thought they moved. Did they? Or am I just tilting it? I can't tell. So there's balls on one side. And those are the screws. What the hell? I just don't feel like opening this bitch up right now. I'm sorry. I'll find out more information and I'll update it. Alright, so let's take a look. How do I feel about this as a slider? Feels kind of like the Cosmo sliders. The snap is not that hard, and you've got that kind of like a swishy kind of noise, but the magnets are nice strength. Good strength. Shit. So what about doing other types of like tricks with it? For the price, this thing is definitely worth it. It's like, I think it's like $100. Yeah, I actually think that this is probably the best square slider that I've ever felt. Probably because there's like a million magnets. The problem with square sliders is it's awkward, and if there's only magnets on the corners, sometimes you miss them and it doesn't slide right. Like you go to slide down and it like flips over. So, still don't know what the fuck those balls are for. Are they aesthetic? Why? And there's replacement balls in there. But why? I'm gonna have to ask some of my fidget friends. I'm actually in a group with these, the people who make these. But no, this is great, actually. Another very solid toy from Metal Toyz. So this one, the Spark and the Bubble are definitely home runs. So yeah, this is a really good one. I also like the color. I like blue. So let's take a look. I've been using it for a minute. Some people were saying that this little protective this protective film, they said, wasn't holding up so well. And they were wanting the actual anodization or whatever metal to be able to hold up without these. But you know, whatever. You can always put tape. I like it. I like it. Or like it or what? Alright, I'm gonna find out about those balls and get back to you guys. I just don't understand. What's the point? If I open it up, I'm just gonna see the balls there. And what, are you supposed to add more or change them out? And what does that do? Are there any springs or anything? What is that? Is that like a washer? What the fuck? Oh. All right, anyway. This is the Metal Toyz maze. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And hope you guys have a great night.